Before control becomes force, it becomes waiting. A chair, a clock, a closed door. No explanation. This is not empty time. This is behavioral design. The first room is the line. Nobody tells you how long it will take. That uncertainty does the work. When time has no shape, people stop negotiating. They begin preserving their position. They accept discomfort because leaving would make the suffering meaningless. That is the first lesson. Patience can be weaponized. The second room is the form. Boxes, codes, required fields. The language looks neutral, but the message is clear. Prove you deserve movement. Forms do not only collect information, they reverse the burden. The system becomes innocent. You become the case file. Then comes the third room, the waiting room, the final stage of controlled helplessness. Here, people learn the deepest rule. Do not ask too much. Do not look angry. Do not sound difficult. The reward belongs to the quiet. A population trained to wait is easier to govern than a population trained to refuse. The door was never locked. It was delayed until you forgot you could leave.